Let's learn how do we compute 314 divided by 2 using the long division method. See that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. So in this case we will bring down this adjacent 1 beside this 1. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 1. Now again this 1 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 4 beside this 1. And we know that 2 times 7 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 314 divided by 2 is equal to this number 157. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.